In the heart of a sparkling pond, named Serenity's Mirror, lived a unique nymph named Delta. She was no ordinary nymph, for she was a dragonfly nymph, gifted with an extraordinary power, the power of jet propulsion. Delta, with her swift movements, was admired by all the creatures in the pond. Yet, she was often lonely, for she felt different from the rest. Her ability to move swiftly underwater was not shared by her peers. One day, as Delta was exploring the depths of the pond, she stumbled upon a wise old turtle named Tort. Tort, known for his insights, noticed Delta's sadness and approached her. "Why so glum, little Delta?" Tort asked, his eyes reflecting the sun's rays. "I am different, Tort," Delta sighed. "My ability to move swiftly underwater sets me apart from others. I long for companionship, but my speed isolates me." Tort, understanding Delta's plight, said, "Your jet propulsion is not a curse, Delta, but a gift. It's what sets you apart, making you unique. Embrace it, and you'll find your place in this pond." Delta pondered Tort's words. She realized that her speed was not a barrier to friendship, but a tool to help others. With newfound confidence, she began to use her jet propulsion to help her friends. She rescued the tadpoles from the shallows when they were in danger. She retrieved the lost possessions of the other creatures, earning their respect and admiration. Slowly but surely, Delta became the hero of Serenity's Mirror. Her unique ability was no longer a source of loneliness, but a symbol of unity and friendship. And so, the moral of the story is this: embrace your differences, for they can be the very things that connect us to others. In the end, it's not our similarities that make us friends, but our willingness to help and care for one another.